Hey guys, how you doing today? We're gonna go through a couple exercises to help strengthen out your legs, those quads, the glutes, the hamstrings, all those muscles that are surrounding our knee, help provide a little bit of extra stability and strength. First one we'll show you is you're gonna do a little crab walk. We're gonna get any of the bands. You have a bunch of them here at the office with different resistances depending what you need. Take a seat. We're gonna put this around our knees, right above our knees right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna start about shoulder width apart, and we're gonna get in a nice athletic position. What an athletic position is a little bend in the knees and pushing those hips back just a little bit like you're ready to start running. And then what we're gonna do is just take a little side step, whichever way you wanna start, and bring that other leg, keeping your legs to shoulder width apart the whole time. So spreading it out and then back to shoulder width. And you can either stay going step side to side each way, or you can just do it going back.
Oh wow, too strong.
Yeah, too strong for that one.
All right, what's the next one?
So next one we have is we're just gonna do a little box squat or a chair squat to help strengthen the glutes and the quads. So for this one, what we're gonna do, standing with our feet about hip width apart this time, what we're gonna do is you're gonna start by dropping back through your hips. So maybe it'll be a little bit easier to see if I stand sideways right here. So a lot of people when they squat, they kind of just like to bend their knees first. I want us to focus on going back through our hips. So first thing we're gonna do is kind of push the hips back, and then you're gonna sit down. So I'm doing it over here. Awesome. You're gonna push those hips back, sit down until that butt touches the table, the chair, whatever you're using, and then stand on back up, nice and tall, maintaining good posture the whole time. What I want us to keep in mind when we're doing this one too, we wanna make sure that our knees aren't going forward over our toes. We wanna make sure they're kind of staying over our midfoot the whole time. So instead of going down like this, I want us to focus on kind of sitting straight back first, touching the butt, stand on nice and tall. Now the last one we have is we're gonna go to the step ups over here. So if you have something like a little, just one stair at your house, anything like that, or a little stoop, you could use that. That's an awesome way to do it. This one's gonna help strengthen our quads, and a little bit is our hip flexor as well. So what we're gonna do, whichever leg you'd like to start with, take one step up, and then what we're gonna do with the opposite leg, you're gonna come flex that knee all the way up, and then step on back down. And then you do the same thing on the other side. So the left foot up, bring that right leg all the way through, and then come on back, step back down, right where you start.
What if someone can't get their leg all the way up?
If you can't get your leg all the way up, what I want you to do is practice on taking that one step up with the other leg, and then just right back down. Focusing on that first will help strengthen some of those smaller muscles, then we can progress up as you keep on getting stronger. Hope this helps.